Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, before starting the video I would like to ask you to click on that subscribe button to be a part of my hair community. You can ask me questions and leave me suggestions in the comment box down below. I assure you I will get back to you. Right, so now let's talk about what this video is about. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make an oil that will help you to fight against hair breakage. I'm not talking about hair fall, though we count hair breakage as hair fall as well, but in our daily life our hair goes through a lot of physical damage as well, like all the brushing, combing, braiding, tying up, etc. So that can cause a lot of hair damage and hair breakage. In this video I'm going to show you how to make an oil which will not only make your hair strong but will also help you to fight against that hair breakage. So if you want to know what you will need to make that oil and how to make that, then keep on watching. So the first oil I'm going to use is olive oil. Olive oil brings back moisture to our hair. This oil is rich in vitamin A and antioxidants that helps to repair the keratin and seals the moisture in our hair, leaving our hair healthy looking. So take about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a container. Next is vitamin E capsules. I'm gonna use 2 of them. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps to repair and build tissues. When applied on the scalp, it can help to repair damaged hair follicles, and healthy hair follicles encourages healthy hair growth. And the last ingredient is castor oil. Castor oil carries ricinoleic acid and omega-6 essential fatty acids that works by nourishing the scalp and strengthening the roots as well as the hair shaft. So I'm gonna take about 1 teaspoon of castor oil and add it to the mixture. Now you can add this mixture directly to your hair, or you can also heat it up just a little bit and then put it on your scalp and your hair as well. As the physical damage on our hair mostly takes place throughout the mid and the end portions of my hair, so I'm gonna focus on applying the oil first on the mid and the ends, and then I'm gonna move to the scalp. But if you want to, you can begin with scalp as well. Take a little bit of the oil between your fingers and massage it gently into your hair. Make sure to evenly distribute the oil all over your hair. And while washing your hair, you're gonna need to use a heavy duty or a sulfate shampoo, as the vitamin E and castor oil are heavier oils, and a mild shampoo might not be able to get rid of all the stickiness from the oils. So you're gonna have to use a heavy duty or a sulfate shampoo after you apply this oil on your hair. After you finish applying the oil all over your hair and your scalp, leave it for about 1 to 2 hours and then wash it off using your shampoo and conditioner. This oil will not only help you to fight against hair breakage, but also it will provide you with a natural kind of shine because of the olive oil in it. I've been using this oil for years now and I absolutely love it. This oil has made my hair a lot more stronger than it was before. I don't use this oil like every week, but every now and then I use this oil on my hair. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. Hit that notification bell beside the subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And after you apply this oil on your hair, when you will wash it, and after that when you will be brushing your hair, you will see less to no hair breakage at all, like as you can see right here. So that was it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys later in my next video. Bye.